but it's, I mean, who wants to look, simple when you can look stunning?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is living their best life, and if you aren't, please do something today to put you on the path of living your best life. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out that new style that I see everybody doing. It's probably not new, but I think it's really cute. But a lot of people have been trying out doing these goddess braids on their natural hair, and that's what I'm going to do today. I'm not going to make them as small as everybody else is making them. Mine is going to be probably medium size, medium big. And yeah, so let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. I washed this last night, so it's mostly dry. It's just a little bit damp in the middle. And last night, after I got done washing it, all I did was put on this cream, the Talia Wajid Apple and Aloe Curl Definer Cream. And I twisted my hair up in these sections just to make sure that everything was nice and detangled. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to work on these braids section by section. And I'm not doing super defined, pretty parts. I'm going to freehand this, okay? Because parting already, it takes too long. I'm not going to do all that. So let's just go ahead and get started. As you can see, my hair is, well, you can't see it, but I can feel my hair is mostly dry, especially at the bottom. It's just this middle part that's still wet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a little section of it. So what folks do to make these is that they braid like normal, and then they leave a strand of hair out of the braid. And they continue. And that's all you got to do. So I'm just go ahead and do that for the rest of my head. Play music in the background as y'all watch me do my hair. this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below, and turn on my post notification bell so you're notified every single time that I post. With that being said, I hope everybody lives their best life. Peace, love, and light to you all.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.